Your first SOP draft in 3 simple steps. Most small business systems live on sticky notes, scattered emails, or just in your head. But in just 1 hour, you can turn that chaos into your first SOP without fancy software. Documented processes save time, reduce mistakes, and make your business run smoother. And the best part? You don't need corporate-style tools. Just start simple, one process at a time. Step 1. Gather your chaos. Snap photos of sticky notes, copy instructions from emails, or record yourself walking through the task while narrating out loud. You can even do a quick screen recording as you talk through the steps. The goal isn't neatness, it's just to capture what already exists. Step 2. Translate with AI. Drop your voice memo or messy notes into ChatGPT and ask it to create a numbered SOP draft. In seconds, you'll have a draft that's structured, practical, and about 80% complete. Then, add your own shortcuts and details so it truly reflects how you work. Step 3. Give it a quick polish. Standardize the format. Make sure steps are clear, and then save it somewhere your team can find it, like OneDrive or Google Drive. Use a consistent naming format so nothing gets lost. Now, you really can do this with ChatGPT alone. But if you want a little extra boost, here's my toolbox spotlight. Scribe. Great for automatically capturing your clicks with screenshots. Loom. Perfect for quick screen recordings with transcripts. Guidde. Best for polished video SOPs and training libraries. But remember, ChatGPT alone can get you 80% of the way there. And that's it. In just 1 hour, you've gone from scattered notes to your first SOP draft. Start small, keep it practical, and let AI handle the structure, while you focus on the work only you can do. Now, this video gave you the quick overview. The newsletter has the full framework, a ready-to-use prompt, and tool ratings to make SOPs even easier. Subscribe to Bite-Sized Bots. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.